Hi guys, it's me Brandon, and I want to share with you how my stock portfolio went in this month in 2021 May. So yeah, let's begin how my stock portfolio went. This is like I have a two stock account. The first one is with the I've done some asset allocation with bond, equity, commodity. So these three like works like um interact with each other. So like it depends on the economic situation. But in general, I have a more like I think I have about like 50 or 60% of bond in my total portfolio, and I've had a very little in commodity. And then after following bond, the majority position is a stock. In general, like people say, like I should have a more bond, but I mean not bond is like the S&P S&P 500 index ETF. But I don't see any point. Like I mean, like I agree, but I think I can manage it. Um, well, it sounds arrogant, but like I can I can manage it a bit better. I don't know. I mean, like, cause everything follow S&P 500, so there's no big difference. So if we have a look at the detail of my stock portfolio, um, the as I say, the majority is BND, which is BND ETF, which is total bond ETF, and then so this is these four position in the first my broker account. So these two like uh, equity position, and the commodity, the bond. As you can see, the IAU is a gold index ETF, and then it's up 10%. So it's pretty expensive now. So I don't recommend you buy gold at the moment. And if we have a look at the detail of my stock, the second portfolio with 100% equity is up nearly 10%. And if we have a look at the allocation in detail, the biggest position is Apple, and then following the Walmart, Home Foods, Pepsi, P&G. So you guys can see some like I have a more position in tech, and then consumer position. If you wanna have a look at my position, like you can pause, I guess. And my the philosophy of my stock portfolio management is I try to I keep tracking the NOBR ETF, which is a dividend aristocrat ETF. But I know like some of them isn't, like some of them are like Apple, or most of tech stock in here isn't one of NOBR holdings. But I try to adjust myself, so I'm not really too sure you might like it or not, but I'm trying to be flexible to buy swapping with other stuff. So some of them, like most of them are in NOBR, but something like Nike, Mastercard, they are not in NOBR. And then if we have a look at the dividend record, so if we have a look at the dividend chart, you can see it's keep growing, but obviously like I've got only 5.75 cent, and then these are like expected dividend growth, but I know it seems unrealistic, but I'm gonna try my best to achieve. So one of my goals is to get like $665 in 2021, so which is kind of like $1 per day. So once I achieve this score in this year, like I don't have to add any more cash in my stock portfolio, but it's gonna keep increasing my dividend income. I'm like in my second portfolio, like I didn't invest that much money in here. I think I have something like $560 or something. It's gonna be interesting, like if I make something like in my second, and then on the first account I have more points, so which is more like stable, safe. With the second account, I'm gonna try to manage my equity with like 100% stock, so it's going to be a bit more like volatile. So it's good. I know it's quite. I mean, like when I do stock investment, I always think like 70% of my money in the stock account is not mine. I mean, like I always think like it's my money, but it's not. You know what I mean? It's like Warren Buffett said, like you need to think about margin safety when you do investment. So I know it's different, but you know. So yeah, I'm trying like it's not. I'm keep trying to think like it's not my money, so do investment a bit more aggressively. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna achieve in this. So to achieve this, I need to make more. I need to get paid more, $363 more, and then these are great companies. I keep getting paid, and but that's pretty much everything about my stock portfolio update. And if you liked my video, please give thumbs up, and then please don't forget to subscribe my channel as well, because I'm gonna keep posting my dividend, not my dividend. I'm gonna keep posting about my investment story, and then plus I'm gonna keep posting how I'm gonna become front-end developer in Korea. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.